Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites because hiring panels want immediate fit. Review the job posting for minimum education and software requirements. If you lack one, enroll quickly. Once done, get a library card and log 2040 volunteer hours to show relevant experience. Make sure to collect ID, proof of address, and 2 references. This speeds background checks. Finally, draft a concise one-page work history so you can copy details into online forms without delay. You move into the application and interview phase with focused intent. Tailor your resume and cover letter to emphasize circulation, shelving accuracy, and patron assistance so keywords match the posting. Then complete the online application carefully, copy-paste consistent dates, and upload PDFs to avoid formatting shifts. Once submitted, schedule interview prep. Rehearse concise examples of problem-solving, teamwork, and cash handling for fines. Make sure to prepare 2 questions. For the interviewer, you finish by confirming and closing the loop to increase your chance of hire. Send a polite follow-up email 1 week after applying or 2 days after your interview to express continued interest and confirm next steps. Once an offer or request arrives, complete background checks and any skills tests promptly. Missing deadlines can cost you the job. If you're rejected, request feedback, then gain experience via volunteer shifts or training and reapply. This is the fastest route to turn a no into a yes.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.